I have been picking some of my harvest, and I'm going to show you all how things are looking in the chicken run and in the garden, and kind of give you a little update here at the house. So I'm excited. Let me show y'all. Hey everyone, welcome back at Tanya's place. It is summer, so the chickens are hiding in any shade that they can. So right now I also have added another shade cloth for the chickens because it is just so hot. And if you look right behind my shoulder right there, it looks like a military base camp into somewhere in the sun because it's covered up with that shade cloth. But it's really helping Dove and her babies and get extra shade, and I've done everything I can to make sure she's in a better situation than she was before. So she seems to be doing okay, and she didn't like it when I put it on there, but she appreciates the shade now. Let me show y'all. Come on! You need to go inside. It's hot out here. You hassling. You're a hassling. Go inside. Go inside. Oh, you sweet baby. Go in the shade, sweetheart. The chickens are hiding under here, I think. Let me see. Yep, there's some over here. You can see them right there. And she's laying down with the chickens. Alright, y'all stay in the shade. Here's my chicken military base right here now. It looks so funny, but it is helping her. I just laid on top of the two coops and put it around the netting to keep it from flying everywhere, but it seemed to work pretty good. It's not the prettiest, but it works. Garden time. All right, here we go. If I can get to it. All right. Y'all can see it from out here already. They're doing really good, and there's a couple of them right here. Check these out. My asparagus beans. Look how tall they are. I mean, this is crazy. See, look how long. This is crazy, and they have a very sweet taste too, so I'm really tickled about the way they turned out. But let's go inside the chicken run, and excuse me for the hot mess, but I need to weed in there. Let me show you. I need to come in here with the weed eat. I mowed the other day, but I didn't get the weed eat, and I really need to weed eat in here. Check it out. All right, let's go pick some beans. But look at these. This one is ready. So I already got about 2 harvests off of those that I picked already. So these are they keep growing. I mean, look at these, how long these are. This is awesome. I'm gonna set my basket right here. This is exciting. Look at these. Look at these. I would never thought I'd get so excited about asparagus beans, but these are cool looking. But I'm gonna put those in the basket. I got some more I gotta pick over here. some more. Not bad for my first harvest. Like I said, I got a couple other harvests already done a few days ago, and I got good size of them too. So this is I'm going to keep for myself. I'm going to put those in the freeze dryer, and I'm going to freeze dry some for later on because yeah, I am super psyched the way it turned out, and it just can't be more happy. I got my beans. I'm going to set them down for a minute, and I'm going to show you the rest of what things are happening here in the garden and in my chicken run. And like I said, I did not expect it to get a big harvest like this off the the beans, but I left some on there on the run here, well on the chain here for to dry them out, because I want to save some of those beans for next year, because when I bought the package there were not a whole bunch in there. So I would like to next year to grow a lot more of those, because I really like them and they taste real sweet, and they're just really cool beans, not like your usual bean. And check these out. These were the honeydews. Well, I think that's what they were for my sister, and I got 2 of them growing right here. How neat is that? And I got some more coming up right here with the blooms, so I'm excited about those too. So, and there's a baby one coming up right there. But let me show you the the loofahs. So the loofahs doing real good too. And I don't know if you can see it, but I'm starting like little pods right here for them to come out. So looks like I'm going to be getting a lot of loofahs. That's awesome. And let's see. And my squash, zucchini thingies, whatever they were again. That one right there is getting eaten up though. I'm going to go ahead and take that one out. Throw that one to the chickens. Alright, there's one right here. Right here. And right there. I don't see any squash bugs yet, but I don't know. I said it too soon. Right here. I'm going to clip this leaf and take it off. This is what's going on in here. Let me show you the rest of the garden. And here are the ones I'm going to let dry out. And I'm going to save those beans for later. So, yeah. I don't have big hopes with the squash, but I'm just going to let them do what they're doing. And here are my sunflowers. Look how tall they have gotten. They're huge. And the zinnias are looking beautiful. And these are the ones I just dropped on the ground, and I did not even grow those this year. They just dropped seeds, and here they are. They are beautiful though. And there's some more sunflowers, and here are the Mexican sunflowers coming up there too. Let me go around. Aren't they pretty? And here my sunflower right there. Kind of wilted already a little bit. They've been blooming for a couple days already. And then this one's starting to bloom. And let me show you the rest of the garden. So I went ahead and got some bell peppers and put them in this box right here. They're looking good. I got some blooms coming up right there, and so long I can keep the chickens out, I'll be okay. And here are my tomato plants. They're looking real good too. I got some green tomatoes popping up here and there. I'm going to harvest some, make some green fried tomatoes. And let's see. Oh, one more. One here. And I'm going to get one of those. And these are the pink German tomatoes. So I never had those before, so I don't know how they will do. Oh my God, look at those. Light green tomatoes. Alright, I'm gonna have to get my basket. Looking good. And here's my okra. And if you look real close, you can see the baby okras right there. So it's not gonna be much longer. I'm gonna be harvesting some okra too. And there's some more right there. And my lettuce and all the stuff, pretty much I lost it with all the weeds and everything. My carrots also. And my peppermint is, my mint, whatever it's in there, it's going crazy. And my corn is doing real good too. So, and I have not put anything on those, so I'm excited though. Here inside the chicken coop, we got Miss Peanut. She is still broody. She's not giving up. And there's Miss Fall. She's not as grumpy. And Danny finally gave up Mother Chicken. She's not in here no more, but them two are in here. And it's hot in here, and I cannot keep those two out. So, and I'm gonna have to make sure there's no eggs under here because she's gonna have a fit when I get them. Come on, let me see. No, there's a baby egg. Look at the baby egg. Can't have eggs. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Is there another one under there? I know you don't like it, but I'm going to check anyway. Nope, no eggs. Stop it. No eggs. Alright. See there? Nope, no eggs. No eggs. So that's what I've been getting. I have only been getting a few eggs in there, but somebody was not quite laying for a couple days, and I got a baby egg. Chickens are not laying as much when it's so hot because of that reason. So whew, I will leave you alone. We'll get the eggs in my basket, and I'm gonna be heading in the house here very, very soon. Let's get those eggs in the basket. Make sure they don't fall down. Knowing me, I'm gonna bust my eggs. Busting my eggs. That was funny. I crack myself up sometimes. I just love all those colors. I'm gonna have to get some more chickens if I want more eggs. Alright. Not bad looking, ain't it? So this was just a little update. How the garden is doing and how the chickens are doing. Mama Dove is doing good. The babies are getting so big. I'll show you in a minute. And I mean, it's been good. So my goal is to plant more asparagus beans next year. I had to shrink down the garden just a little bit because it was just open space. It was hard to keep maintained. So I went ahead and made it smaller for the chickens more to roam. And they did a good job so far with, you know, spreading out the hay and all the stuff. So they're doing real good. So I had to move the pool out of the chicken run and move in a different area so I can actually change the water out because I don't want them to be like in the nasty water, and the water hose was not reaching that far. So I went ahead and put it on the deck where they're shady for a day. So I went to do that, but also I'm going to move the dust bath into the chicken run now. And doing what you can, keeping your chickens cool, that's all you can do. It is brutal hot here in Tennessee right now. We have been getting up really early in the morning to go to farming work, and we're trying to get the cabin done, and it's just, you know, it's not going as fast like we want to, but we're going forward, and there's going to be a lot of early getting up in the near future for me. So, but yes, God's good no matter what, and I'm happy to be able to take care of my chickens and be around my chickens because I love my babies. And harvesting out of my garden, even if it's not a big garden this year, I mean, this is awesome. You know, you just can't say that's just great. So y'all stay cool and make sure you drink lots of water, because with this heat you need it. But I hope to see y'all next video. God bless y'all. See you soon. Bye.